Cat is tripping out. This is garbage. Trippy cat. Watch. It's like a spider cat. Watch. Ginger. 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 Look at my hand up here. Okay. Okay, there's the cat. Talked about the spider cat. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. It just went right down. And then the cat just scurries away. It's like the weirdest cat ever. Look. It's like coming out. Wait, let's see it. Ginger. Here, let's try good. Her attention. Here. She always gets distracted like this. Watch. Oh, crap. Ginger. Now let's see it from this perspective view. Holy crap! What will this spider cat do? God, this is the weirdest thing ever. Let's see what? Oh! Dang! It's like survival. Surviving. And gets back down. Tired. And watch again. And the freaking cat. That was fast. And back to normal. Just lays there. Because the cat can obviously land on both feet. Make sure you guys subscribe to me. Thanks for watching.